Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. And that means you, Carly. I have some exciting updates for you. Come say hello to the viewers of TesLUCKY.
Do I have to?
Yeah, because you weren't in the last two videos about the car accident. They probably miss you. And I have a question for you, Carly.
What?
Serious question.
Okay.
Do you miss Lucky?
No.
You don't miss Lucky?
No, I don't have attachment issues to Lucky like you. Okay, Lucky's not a person, it's a vehicle. See, I can live without Lucky because I'm in Rentor. But
okay, and Rentor is great, but aren't there any of the creature comforts of Lucky or Model X that you miss, or you're just as happy being in a Model 3?
I couldn't care less.
Oh my goodness. Okay, hey, this is a YouTube channel where we encourage honesty and transparency. So thanks for giving me a real answer to a real question, Carly.
Bye.
So in this video, we're just going to give you a quick update about the repairs process with Lucky, who I happen to miss a lot. And it's been exactly 3 weeks to the day since we had our car accident. I'm going to queue up at the end a link to the playlist about our car accident. So if you don't know the details and you didn't see the first video with the actual damage and the second video with the cost estimate, you can get caught up on this series about our 2023 car accident. But it's been exactly 3 weeks. 1 week ago today, Geico gave the Fort Lauderdale Collision Body Shop the green light to order the parts and proceed with the repairs, which was great news and a huge relief. So yesterday I spoke to Mario at Fort Lauderdale Collision, continue to get just such excellent service and communication from the Fort Lauderdale Collision Body Shop. So happy that we ended up there for this repair process. Mario had good news for me. He actually had good news for me times 2. The first piece of good news is that they have ordered all the parts. All the parts have come in except for one. The only part they're waiting on is the biggest part, the Falcon Wing door. It was due to arrive any day. It was not on back order. So none of the parts that they needed for the repair were on back order. And as soon as they get the last remaining part, that Falcon Wing door, they will be able to begin working on the repairs. So we still don't have an estimated date when Lucky will be ready for us to pick her up, but we know there are no delays on the parts. And here in April of 2023, like, that's amazing. I figured at least one part would be on back order, and I'm so happy that that is not the case. So, okay, that leads us to good news number 2. On Lucky, which 6.5-year-old older P90D Model X. I'm going to put Lucky's specs up on the screen because I miss her. It's a way we can bring her into this video with her specs. We've driven her. She has about 123,000 miles on her. About 100,000 of those miles are from us. And there's some dings in her paint job in the front hood. There's some visible blemishes that every time we wash Lucky, I notice them. And now I was speaking to Mario about the fact that they're going to have to match the paint color. He says it's going to be an exact match. The old 2016 Tesla red, they can get the formula because they're Tesla certified and all that, no issues. But he said they're going to have to paint the front left bumper. And as a result, they're going to have to paint the hood because it's like the adjacent part, and they've got to blend in the colors so that you can't tell that it was painted. And as a result, Lucky's front hood is going to get painted and is going to look brand new, and they're going to be able to fix the blemishes as a part of the repair process. So that I'm really excited to see, and that's really like the silver lining, I think, in this inconvenient car accident situation. So 2 thumbs up for Fort Lauderdale Collision and all the good news coming out of them today. So the last thing I want to say is that we are really enjoying this Model 3 experience that is named what, Carly?
Rentor.
Get on camera and say it.
Rentor.
Rentor! And we are charging right now at the Big Pine Key Superchargers, and we are on our way to the Taylor Swift Eras concert tour in Tampa, and we are going to film a whole road trip video in Rentor, the Model 3, and we are going to focus on 10 differences between this brand new, the Model 3 we're sitting in had like 400 miles when I picked her up at Avis. Brand new Tesla Model 3 versus 2016 Tesla Model X. We're going to show some of those differences on our road trip to Tampa. Carly, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go see Taylor?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.